Watch, heat moves. What do we need? Let's get started. Put 5 drops of any color in the center of the bowl. Pour oil into the glass bowl so it is half full. Place the candle between the blocks. Place the bowl on the blocks so the candle is underneath the bowl. Wait until oil gets hot. Tip: you can divide the drops of the color into smaller ones by spinning a spatula in the oil. After a few minutes, did you see the color drops rise in the oil? Scientific explanation. The heat from the candle causes warm currents to circulate in the oil. These currents carry the food color along with them. Thus, we can see heat moving.